So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to put a 6.4 starter on a 6.0 power stroke. Like this one right here. This is a 0560 power stroke that the 6.0 starter was starting to drag, so we just replaced the old starter. You'll see how to do it in this video. This is with 6.0 starter. So basically, we got a 6.4 starter from AutoZone, and we're gonna toss this thing in our 6.0 because I've heard they get way better crank and they'll start way better in the wintertime. And my 6.0 starter's already going out, so I might as well throw a good starter that'll crank real good. Because the whole time, even before the starter was going out on my 6.0, it didn't like to start during the winter, but it has new glow plugs, new harness for the glow plugs. About to put a new AC unit or AC compressor on it. And so we're going to put this 6.4 one. Before you even get started on this, you need to come in and take out the grounds on your batteries. For me, it's an 8mm. I mean, it's probably the same on all the 6.0s. You just take off the 8, take it off with 8mm and drop it down beside. Make sure it doesn't touch at all. And then you should be cleared to go down there and take that apart, because then it won't have a flow. So if you accidentally bump the wires or accidentally ground off the hot wire, it won't shoot sparks or nothing. Okay, so basically all you need is a 10mm, a 1/2 inch, and then a 5/8 wrench. And you need a 5/8 wrench for these bolts right here, or nuts. And then you need this 10mm for this little one. And then this goes this way on the engine, like that, towards the truck, into the transmission. So basically, this is the one, this bolt goes this way. And then this one will go this way. And then to find this one, which will be at the top, you will not be able to see it. You'll just have to reach your fingers around and find it. The best way to find it is to take your finger and drag it up the side, following this edge of metal that will be right here in the engine. And this is mainly for taking off the 6.0.
You could also use a 13mm for the 1/2 inch
drag your
spots
finger
because
up
they are
and you'll feel
basically the
this hump,
same.
and then you just feel for the
But
bolt.
I used a
And then
13mm swivel
here.
to reach the top bolt because
And
it
you
was
just take it
really
off
hard to reach.
because
I literally
these are
couldn't
all
reach it with
1/2
just a
inch
normal
on all of
socket.
these.
So I figured I'd say that you're probably going to need a swivel for the
That's
top one.
basically it.
But that's it. Other than that, I think everything in there, it's pretty easy. Only took about 30 minutes.
And it'll be right at the front of your transmission, right here somewhere. Let's see if I can get it. Should be right there.
The only big major difference you can tell is this has a, I don't know what you would call this, but it has a little knob that sticks out for the gear. The 6.4 doesn't, but I don't think it'll make a difference at all. But it looks the exact same, literally the exact same. Other than that, there's no differences that I can tell.
This is with 6.0 starter.
If you found this video helpful, please like and or subscribe.